Hello everyone, this is Claire from SEWTECH. Today we're going to show you how to add hoop parameters on the SEWTECH machine. First, place a piece of stabilizer in the new hoop and lock it securely. Next, mark the physical center of the hoop. Measure the length and width of the hoop with a ruler. Draw a vertical line right across the middle and then a horizontal line using a washable fabric pen. The exact point where these two lines intersect is the physical center of your hoop. Before installing the hoop on the machine, make sure the laser point is perfectly aligned with the center mark on the needle plate. Now install the hoop onto the machine. Also, make sure the hoop arms are installed securely. There is no wobbling. Next, switch the machine to needle 1 before setting the hoop positions. On the control panel, go to the hoop selection page. Click here and select No Frame. Here I'm using this hoop as an example. This hoop is already added to the machine when you receive it. Next, tap this button to open the frame parameter page. Tap the Add button to add a new hoop. Now enter the hoop length and width. For safety clearance, we recommend entering the embroidery area 20 to 25 mm smaller than the physical hoop size to ensure the needle never strikes the frame. For example, here the actual hoop size is 300 mm by 300 mm. I will enter 275 mm for the length and 275 mm for the width. For this hoop, the frame chamfer is 100, so set the chamfer value to 100. Note, if you are adding the circular hoop instead, you only need to put the radius value. Now press the orange button. This returns the hoop to its starting position, where x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Use the arrow keys to manually move the design to the center. Remember, the hoop moves in two directions, the horizontal x-axis, which moves left and right, and the vertical y-axis, which moves up and down. Move the hoop until the marked center point aligns with the laser light. Once the laser aligns with the center mark, check the X and Y values and type Save. Now click the Tick button to confirm the settings. To test your setup, return to the hoop selection page. Select your newly added hoop size and press the center button. The hoop will move automatically. If the laser aligns perfectly with your pin mark, your new hoop parameter has been set successfully. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it. See you next time.